In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game The First Descendant for free on your PC. So what we need to do is open a Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, we are going to search for the Steam platform, because there is where we're going to download this game. And once you are there, go to the search bar and search for the game The First Descendant and then search. Select it. And now we scroll a little bit down, and the next step you need to do is basically log into your account. If you don't have one, you can create one for free, and after that you can download this game into your game library. So once it is downloaded, you are able to play the game The First Descendant for free on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!